Hello guys, it's Micky. Welcome to my channel. And if you're just into my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. So don't judge me. This is Micky in our pregnancy state. Now I'm using a ring light, which is way brighter, and you guys can actually see my skin. And maybe I'm not feeling bad about my skin anymore, probably because of my pregnancy state, and I'm beginning to like it. I think so. I think. Okay, so talk about our oils. There is a reason why I want to talk about it, because I know some of you will say, Micky, you talked about it like 1,000,001 times. What do you want to say again? No. Okay, but before then, you can see the body wash. It's still the same. You can see nothing has changed. I told you guys I'll be taking my time to pull it out so you guys get to see it. The reason why I'm doing this is because a lady said the advanced, since you said the advanced is for all skin, that means it's actually more stronger than the leafy green. Nope, it doesn't work that way. The same way they say the advanced is stronger than the Seville orange, it doesn't work that way. All right, that is not how our product works. Now we have 3 different products. The Seville orange, this is the Seville orange. I intentionally brought this. This is a sample product. We give this sample product to customers that have not used our product before. All right, so they just want to test it out before buying it. Put them in a small little jar for them. We don't sell it like this. We give them in small quantities, let them use them, apply on their body for a while, then see how it goes. So these are our sample products. We even have sample product of some of our other products on the shelf. Okay, so this is Seville orange. I just told my staff to get this so that you guys get to see the label on it. Okay, now this is not for all skin, as we said before. We said it like countless times. This is suitable for different skin type, all right, but not for all skin type. This is for sensitive, normal, and combination skin. It is only used at night. You can only use it at night. It should not be used on your face because it clogs the face. Yes, it's a humectant. It's not just 100% oil. No, it's a humectant. Humectant oil meaning it was made with glycerin and propylene glycol. Okay, now the existence of propylene glycol on this inside this product is what makes it effective on the skin. You know, when you use propylene glycol into your body lotion, your serum, it makes it catchy. You know, whatever you use, it makes it very effective. That was why we added propylene glycol on all our oils. All right, they contain propylene glycol as well as glycerin. So they are humectant oil. They are not 100% oil. All right, but we don't advise this Seville orange used on the face because of how active the ingredients are there, so that it doesn't clog your face. Okay, clogging the face meaning it might start causing breakouts on your face. So we don't advise it being used on the face. The same way we don't advise it when you use it on your chest. Now, I need to explain how to use this product. Many of you don't know how to use the product. Okay, now you're applying, let's say for example, you're getting the oil. I don't use product at the moment because I'm pregnant, so I can't even apply on my body. So this is the oil, for example. You're using it all over your body, you know, everywhere, all over your body. Now the remnants on your palm, don't forget, when you're applying even a moisturizer on your body, you're meant to have remnants. The remnants on your palm is what you apply on your chest area. Okay? Now, when you're applying the remnants, you're not putting too much concentration of the oil on the area. Reason being that these parts are thin. These are thin area of your skin. You don't need to apply active ingredients on this area. Okay, these are thin areas, so just the remnants is enough to go around, and it will still lighten your body. You don't need too much workload on this area. They are thin areas, so you don't apply. Just the same way when you're applying face cream, you don't apply face cream. Some people apply face cream on this area. I don't know. I'm going to take my time to teach you guys how to apply. Many of you don't know how to apply some products. Okay, you don't apply face cream around this area. It is a no-go area. It's a no-no. You don't apply it. These are thin areas of your face. You don't do that. Okay, so That's that. I'm so sorry about the background noise. We are working. Remember, we just moved to a new store now, so we are still working. And I don't want to rush the workload. Like the Okwebi, I rushed it now. The landlord was thinking, this is a politician child. Money is there. So we don't want to rush it. Sorry about the noise. Well, okay, now, just because this is used for normal skin, sensitive skin, and combination skin doesn't mean it's more active than advanced. No. Now, there's a difference between the both of them. The advanced is slower to action, but very effective. This is faster, but selective on the skin. And again, it is used only at night. So the reason why this one supersedes this is because this is used morning and night, and also can be mixed into your lotion. When we produce this, we're not able to regulate the product inside, just the same way we did with our body wash. Imagine now is when we are now coming up with this, though we didn't increase the price. Okay, so we're not able to regulate the ingredients inside it so that it would work on all skin. Work on all skin, and also can be mixed with any cream of your choice. This can be mixed with any cream. If na Nivea, mix with any cream of your choice. But in order to enjoy the benefits of advanced body oil, you need to mix it with an active body cream. For example, if it's Bedon you want to mix it with, fine. If it's advanced clinical vitamin C, advanced retinol, which is so good, which is what I used to use before I got pregnant, way good, you can mix it with it. But mind you, retinol is used only at night, and you don't use it regularly, maybe like 2 or 3 times a week, so you can know how to maneuver your product. Now, for the leafy green, people say, oh, the leafy green is only for people with dry skin. Yes. People with tough skin. Yes. And is it stronger than the advanced? How do they use it? Because I've been trying, I don't know, I don't understand. The leafy green works for me more than the Seville orange. And you say the Seville orange is for normal skin, combination skin. If the leafy green works for you and the Seville orange doesn't work for you, then my dear, you don't have a normal skin. Neither do you have a combination skin. You have a dry, tough skin. Because this oil doesn't work for everybody. I have a sensitive skin. I cannot relate with it. I can't. Because if I use this oil, when I was without a child then, when I use this, I got very dark. I'm going to tell you. Some people too can attest to it. That when I use leafy green, I didn't even see the effect. It darkened me. Yes. Because it's not for your skin type. People with sensitive skin can roll with this very well. They can even roll with the both of them used together. Before I got pregnant, I was using the both of them together. See how white I was. I will show you my pictures so that you see them. I'll be giving you pictures, scroll shots here, so you will see them. How white. And my knuckles were clean. That's the effect of the both of them. Now for this, so people say, I want to mix leafy green with advanced. You can try, but I won't advise that, because if leafy green is working for you, my dear, you don't need advanced. This will do a superb job in making you white skinned. But just one bottle cannot do the trick, because some of you are expecting magic with just 200 ml. Fear God now. Fear God. It's not possible. This video is going to be long, but no wala. I'm explaining this product, so I have to take my time to explain them. Now for the leafy green, is used sparingly on the face. Sparingly means the remnant, the same example I used on the Seville, or the remnant on your palm. You now put it on your face, all right? You apply. Make sure you avoid this area. There's something many of you should know. This area, without applying cream on this area, it's going to lighten. The reason why many of you tend to have these dark eyes most of the time is because of your makeup. This under eye eyebrow that you could put most of the time when you're going to parties And when many of you come back home, you don't take off your makeup. And excess makeup makes you look older. I don't know why. If you get your skincare regimen well, my dear, you even forget makeup. I never used makeup before I got pregnant. For one day, I don't put it on my face. I don't. Because one, it makes you age, and also it burns your cheek line. So most times when you use makeup and you go out in the sun, it burns. I don't know the kind of things they use from the underlay of the makeup. I don't really know, but it's horrible. So it makes you older over time. So try and start making sure your skincare regimen is intact. All right. With time, we'll talk about facial products that you can use on your face. All right. So you can let go of your makeup. And you and I know, not be every time that they do party. So it's not every time you go to the party that you need to use makeup. You know, some of you are in your 50s, you look like in your 70s, in your 80s. Shouldn't be that way. That is why when you use nice skincare products, your skin just pops. And also the food you eat matters. It's not everything cream. What you eat also matters. Eat lots of veggies and fiber, lots of drink water. Make one of the drink water. I have someone that doesn't drink water. If you just give him bottled water, throughout the day, he will not touch it again. Well, anyways, let's continue with my oil issue. So everything goes hand in hand. It's not just by using expensive products. All right, the food matters. What you drink matters as well. Alcohol, stay away from alcohol. Alcohol spoils the skin. The same way when you're even taking glutathione injection, it is going to be told for you not to take alcohol because you're not going to see the effect of the glutathione. Even smoking of cigarettes doesn't help. We know some women do that. We're not judging you, but try and stay away from unhealthy habits, all right, if you want a really good skin. And the leafy green, since I said, is used sparingly on the face, on the body as well. Now, on this area, this is a thin part of the skin, which means you need to only use it sparingly. The remnant on your palm is what you put here, so that you don't start having veins around this area. You don't start having thin lines around this area. Even the same thing with moisturizer. If you're using a moisturizer that is active, it is only advisable for you to apply sparingly on this area. Just sparingly. That is how you apply products. Many of you don't know how to just put everything, you pour it. And when you're using active products, don't use them. I've said it so many times. You don't use them under the sun. You can use this morning and night, yes. But you and I know, if you're using a whitening cream or a whitening product, what are you doing under the sun? I beg, no vex. Because cream, most times, if you want to enjoy the benefit of a cream, you are always going to be working indoor, not outside, not field work. If you know you're going to be doing field work outside, you're going to be spending most of your time outside in the sun, I won't advise you use lightening products. Use moisturizers. That's why we have moisturizers. Many of the time, if I tell people to go for moisturizer, you'll be saying, does it lighten? How many shades? Moisturizers are not meant to lighten you. They are just meant to help keep your skin at bay and help shield you. Now, also, when you also want to apply sunscreen, these are things that I have to take my time. There's another video we have to do this, not now, because skincare is it's bulky, it's really long, it's wide, and some of you are not getting it properly, and I'm not happy. All right, see how Micky, your skin is like, how your skin, when I saw you, your skin pim. Yes, because I was able to be patient, consistent, and also focus on the core things I needed. Most of you are not, you change from this product. What time do you think you have for a product to work? And so people say, the product will work in 7 days. That is not true. Which product works in 7 days? When it's not that you have super sensitive skin. And people that have super sensitive skin, they are rare, very rare. Just like 1 in a million. Very, very rare. And those kind of people, when their skin are so super sensitive, they don't overuse products, because in the end that product will damage their skin. You shouldn't overuse that product. They should start staying away from, you use product like 2 times or 3 times a week, since they have super sensitive skin. You don't overuse it. All right, I'm going to take my time to explain in terms of the face creams, how to apply them, even sunscreen. We'll talk about those products. Many of you don't even know how to use your products. You just, advertisement you see, you just buy. And this one say, in 3 days you see effect. People now not let me talk, I beg. Which 3 days? Which 3 days? Go for product that they are consistent, all right? Not one time thing. No, you go for product that they will tell you it's a consistent thing, continuous usage. That is skincare. Skincare is a consistent and continuous usage, no be overnight moi. So I just felt I should talk about that. I haven't finished. There's still another video where we're going to talk about other products. I'm going to take my time to talk about how to use some of our products. Many of you don't know how to use them. Not just our product, skincare in general, moisturizers, face creams, sunscreen, sunburn products, night regimen. Many of you don't know how to use them. Right? It's not gra. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next YouTube video, and I love you guys like kilo day. Look at how black I look. Lord of Jesus. Hey, even my neck says see breakout. Pregnancy is not for the weak.